Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjit Online Classes, Class 10, English Chapter 8, from the book Footprints Without Feet. It's 8 number chapter, The Hague Driver. This lesson speaks about a driver. Hague driver means who drives the horse, and a horse-drawn vehicle, that is called hague, or horse-drawn driver, which called Hague driver, and how he make the lawyer. And we are going to discuss about this chapter. And this lesson is written by Sinclair Lewis. Sinclair Lewis. C-L-A-R Lewis. Okay, Sinclair Lewis, the writer, has written this. And here, a young lawyer comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lotkins. Yeah, this is the court order. Summons means court order. कोर्ट का आदेश था. एक गांव का एक आदमी, उसका नाम है ओलिवर लॉटकिंस. ओलिवर लॉटकिंस. To summon his order of the court order that he has a witness of one of the case, he has to present in the court, and for this reason lawyer had gone to serve this Oliver, and how he finds or not. A friendly head driver takes him around the village in search of Lotkins. एक हेड ड्राइवर उसको ढूंढने के लिए ओलिवर लॉटकिंस को ढूंढने में मदद करता है. देखते हैं, लेट्स सी. Did he find this person, Oliver Lotkins, for this court witness or not? And who is this Oliver Lotkins? We will find in this chapter. It's okay? Let's start. After graduating with honors, the person, yes, I became a junior assistant. Graduating with an honors course, and he got a good degree. I became a junior assistant clerk. Junior assistant clerk. Okay, very good job. In a magnificent law firm. Where? Law firm. Magnificent silent law firm. He got a job. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs. I was sent me, someone sent this person, the person to do some work. Yeah, not to prepare legal brief. Legal brief means a written legal document, but to serve summons. Summons means court order. उनको लेके आना. Like a chief private detective. Private detective means not public. Personally, he had to go and to find a person. Okay, I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims. I had to go to where to go? Go to dirty means not clean. Shadowy corners means the corner where people hide of the city to seek out my victims. Seek out my victim means to search my person who is the criminal or the person who is guilty. Then see, some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me off. Some of larger and more self-confident ones even beat me off. Beat me off means they have to get punishment. Okay, some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me off. I hated this unpleasant work. Here, this type of job, the writer did not like. Why did not like? And the side of my off-city life, it revealed to me. I even considered flying to my hometown. Writer thought that better I had to go back to my home place, where I could have been a real lawyer right away, not this any lawyer by purse hard work, but I had to real lawyer at my house. Okay, without going through this unpleasant training period. He disliked this training period of law. Then I had to go somewhere else to find a person. Means I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims as a private detective. That's why the writer thought that I will not go. I will not do. It was his decision, okay? So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Mullion. This country name is New Mullion. Yes. Now, here a writer had given one of the tasks to go to 40 miles. 40 miles. Maybe 60 kilometers approximately. Yes, he had to go to search one of the order, to search someone means order, court order, on a man called Oliver Lotkins, okay? We needed this man as a witness in a law case. Witness, गवाह देने के लिए उसको जरूरत था उस व्यक्ति का. And he had ignored all our letters. Whatever the letters they sent to Oliver, he ignored means he did not come to the court. So personally, the writer had to go to this place, New Millions, to search Oliver Lotkins. Okay, then what happened? When I got to New Million, my eager expectations of a sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. Now, when the writer entered this place, okay, New Million, my eager means impatient expectation. Expectation means belief of a sweet and simple country village means no which complex, very अच्छा गाँव था. Were severely disappointed means upset. Very seriously upset. Why? Its streets were rivers of mud. रास्ता अच्छा नहीं था. The road was not good. That means rivers of mud means dirty. With rows of wooden shops, लकड़ी का दुकान सब था. Not slab and high-fi buildings. Either painted a sour brown. Sour brown means not good brown. बहुत घटिया दिख रहा था. और bare of any paint at all, and somewhere no paint also. Very ugly and not good. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. Only agreeable sight means only nice sight, only one good place. Where about the place was the delivery man at the station means he found a delivery man at the station. Delivery means you can carry. वहाँ पर एक इंसान अच्छा मिला. Writer mentions that person. He was about 40. इसका उम्र 40 था. 40 years. Okay. Red face. Cheerful means high, happy. Thick about the middle age. Okay. His working clothes were dirty. Dirty means not clean. And well worn. Well worn means बहुत पहन लिया था ड्रेस जैसे कि dirty दिख रहा था. And he had a friendly manner. Whom the writer was a friendly manner means he could mixing nature. You felt at once that he liked people. इसको मिलते ही तुमको लगता है कि वो लोगों को पसंद करता है. He was very friendly one. He liked to meet any person. I told him. I want मुझे चाहिए क्या? To find a man named Oliver Lotkins. मुझे व्यक्ति को ढूंढना है. Oliver Lotkins. I need a person, Oliver Lotkins. Then what happened? Lotkins. I saw him around here about an hour ago. व्यक्ति क्या बोला? जिस व्यक्ति से मिले 1 घंटा पहले, 1 hour. I saw this person, Oliver Lotkins. Hard fellow to catch through. Hard fellow to catch means it is not easy to catch him. Always up to something or other. Up to something other में इधर उधर चल जाते रहता है. He's probably trying to start up a poker game. Poker means card game in the back of his shop. कहाँ पर रहता है? ये गेम खेलता है card game. Card game. फ्रिज की दुकान के पास क्या खेलता है? Card game खेलता है. फ्रिज की दुकान पर जाओगे he play like this. I will tell you, boy, is there my hurry about locating Lotkins? Okay? Yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. Yes, मुझे दोपहर में मेरे ट्रेन से मुझे सिटी को जाना है. I was very important and secret about it. और उसके बारे में मुझे बहुत ही रहस्य very important message I have to give to this person. I was very important and secret about इसके बारे में बताया नहीं जाएगा, उसको मिलना है मुझे. Then this person, the hack driver, I'll tell you what, I have got a hack. मेरे पास hack means a horse drawn vehicle है. Yes, मेरे वहाँ पर रजिस्ट्रेशन पास जो मिला था वो व्यक्ति बोला कि मेरे घर में एक ठो hack means घोड़ा गाड़ी है. Hack means a horse drawn vehicle. I'll get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkins. या हम इस गाड़ी में बैठेंगे and we'll find this horse rider vehicles and we'll find your person whom you are searching. I know most of the places he hangs out. Most of the places he hangs out. Hangs out means to spend time doing something in particular. He just moves here, there. We have to go and search this person by our vehicle. Okay. He was so open and friendly that this hack driver. I glowed means I impressed with the warmth of his affection. Means उसके जो बातचीत इसका behavior मुझे बहुत छू गया. I liked his all activities. Yes, I knew of course that he wanted the business. और writer सोचे कि he wanted the business means he can help me in my job. But his kindness was real. बहुत दया दिखा रहा है hack driver. Okay. I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. Fair money means जाने आने का खर्चा तो रहेगा, जो खर्चा उसको देना पड़ेगा. I managed to bargain. Bargain means negotiate price means मोल भाव. Down $2 an hour. एक घंटे के लिए मैं $2 दूँगा. How many dollars? $2 for 1 hour. एक घंटा घुमाने के लिए $2 मैं दूंगा. ये मोल भाव हुआ. ठीक है. And then he brought from his house nearby sort of large black box on wheels. Black box on wheels means hot cart. काला रंग का जो बॉक्स में black horse cart को निकाल के ले आया. He remarked, "Well, young man, here is the carriage, here is the cart, horse cart," and his wide smile made me into an old friend. उसका मुस्कुराहट को देखते हुए राइटर सोच लिए कि अच्छा पुराना दोस्त है. तो यहाँ सोच सकते हो कितना मतलब मीठा मीठा बात कर रहा है. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. ये गाँव के लोग कितने अच्छे हैं कि ऐसे मुसीबत के time of need they help me. Really they are good. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkins for me. उस stranger ने Oliver Lutkins ढूंढने के लिए खुद अपना समय मुझे दे रहा है. Really, he was a good person. That's why he is searching for me. He said, "I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins." मुझे लग रहा है वो बोला कि शायद Lutkins से कुछ पैसा खाया है हमारा. उसके लिए तो उसके पीछे आया हो. You have for that reason you are coming for Lutkins. He never pays anybody his sand. वो तो कंजूस है. उसके से तुम शायद पैसा ले आए. एक बार दे दिया बोलने से लौटाएगा नहीं. मतलब very means not good person. He still owes me 50 cents on a poker game. Yeah, 50 cents means 50 cent. पोकर गेम है वो मतलब कार्ड गेम और जो जुआ खेल में वो मेरे से लगा है और मुझे नहीं दिया है. आई वाज फूल. आई हैव टू प्ले विथ हिम. मैं उससे मूर्खता से खेला. आई फेल Lutkins and he did not give me. Yes, he is not really bad, but it is hard to make him part with his money. Yes, वो अच्छा तो नहीं है लेकिन उससे it is not good to part with money. पैसा से लेन देन उसके साथ नहीं करना चाहिए. If you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, और ऐसे ही clothes में अगर उसको पैसा वसूल करना है, he will be suspicious be doubtful, and get away from you. What good to do? You cannot find him. He will go somewhere else. आप उसको पानी पाएंगे वो चल देगा. And if you want, I will go into fridge house. Okay, fridge. चलो हम fridge के घर जाते हैं. शायद मेरे में छिपा होगा. And ask for him. उसको पूछ लेंगे. And you can keep out of sight behind me. और यहाँ पर क्या होगा? यू कैन कीप आउट बिहाइंड मीन्स मेरे तुम पीछे रहोगे, शायद तुम बोलेंगे कि देखने से शायद भाग जाएगा, तो मेरे पीछे छिपे रहोगे. Why this person spoke like that? I don't understand. Finally find that. वो जो ओलिवर हॉटकिंस को ढूंढने के लिए गए थे, वो कौन है मिस्ट्री पर्सन? I will tell later on. Let's see. I loved him for this. By myself, I might never have found Lotkins with a hack driver's knowing help. वो राइटर बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हारे बिना तो मैं लॉटकिंस ढूंढ नहीं पाऊंगा. कहाँ ढूंढना पड़ेगा? Yes. I might never have found Lotkins with a hack driver's knowing help. Without hack driver की मदद से, it is not possible for me to find him. Okay. I was sure of getting my man. I took him into my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the summons on Lotkins. Yeah, now hack driver told that Oliver Lotkins court order है. The court orders that I have, for that reason I have come, that the man had refused to be a witness. वो गवाह होने के लिए मना कर रहा है. इस कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है, उसको लेके जाना है. One information would never quickly settle our case. और his information would have quickly settle our case means वो अगर कुछ witness देता है, give any witness, then our case will be solved. That's why we are searching for this person. He should come to our place. The driver listened earnestly, seriously. Means try to understand why driver listened seriously. At the end, he hit me on the shoulder and laughed. और अपने मेरे कांधे में हाथ लगाया और हंसा. Well, we will give brother Lotkins a quick surprise. उसको हम कुछ ऐसा काम करेंगे कि वो घबरा जाएगा. Let's do quick surprise now. Why hack driver spoke like this? Try to understand. Let's start drive. Then now he told writer, let's start driver. Most folks around here call me Bill or Magnuson. What he told? Let's see. Bill or Magnuson. बहुत से लोग मुझे बिल या मैग्नूसन बोल के बुलाते हैं. मैग्नूसन. ओके. माय बिजनेस इज कॉल्ड विलियम मैग्नूसन फैंसी कार्टिंग एंड हैकिंग. कार्टिंग हैकिंग मीन्स मैं हॉर्स राइडर. ओके, हॉर्स कार्ट राइडर. दैट इज माय जॉब. ऑल राइट बिल, शैल वी प्रोसीड टू फ्रीज? यस, Lotkins is just as likely to be there as anywhere. I hope that Oliver Lotkins वहीं पर जरूर होगा. It's okay. Plays a lot of poker. Poker means just like game of card कि इधर उधर भागने का. He's good at deceiving people. वो बहुत चालाक है. Oliver वो लोगों को उल्लू बनाता है, वो इधर उधर भागता है. Means cheats. Bill seems to admire Lotkins' talent for dishonesty. Bill Lotkins के dishonesty को तारीफ करता है. वाह, कितना ही कड़ा है उसे पता. How excellent he was. I felt that if he had been a policeman. Now, writer told that Oliver Lotkins should be a policeman, and then he can manage you. He would have caught Lotkins. No, who? Writer told that guy must be a policeman, then he can easy to catch Oliver Lotkins. वो ढूंढ पाता. He would have caught Lotkins respectfully and jailed him with regret. और उसको जेल में भेज देता. Who told? Writer spoke to this hack driver. Okay. Bill led me into freeze. उसी घर में ले आया horse driver. Okay. Have you seen Oliver Lotkins around today? Friend of his looking for him, said Bill cheerfully. Bill फ्रिज को जाके बता रहा है, क्या तुम लॉटकिंस को आज देखे हो? फ्रेंड ऑफ हिज लुकिंग फॉर हिम, उसका दोस्त उसको ढूंढ रहा है. सैड बिल चेयरफुली. फ्रिज लुक्ड एट मी. फ्रिज ने मेरे तरफ देखा. हाइडिंग बिहाइंड बिल, बिल के पीछे तरफ छिप के. ही हेजिटेटेड एंड देन एडमिटेड. ही मीन्स फ्रिज तरफ शर्माया. बी इन टू माइंड्स, दो माइंड में हेजिटेट मीन्स टू माइंड्स. यहाँ पर क्या सही क्या गलत जानता है. ट्राइडोनेशन स्टोरी ओलिवर लॉटकिंस के बारे में जो बता रहा है. हेजिटेटेड मीन्स द राइटर यूज्ड हियर. हेजिटेटेड मीन्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन एडमिटेड एंड कन्फेस्ड दैट यस he was in here a little while ago. कुछ समय पहले ओलिवर लॉटकिंस था. Guess he has gone over to Gustav's. वहाँ चले गया है Gustav's house चले गया है to get his say. Well, if he comes in, tell him I am looking for him. अगर वो यहाँ पर आता है तो बोल देना कि मैं उसको इंतजार किया हूँ. So we drove to Gustav's barber shop. Gustav है barber दुकान है. We went to that place. Again Bill went in first. देखिए बिल पहले क्यों जा रहा है? पहले बिल जा रहा है means something mystery. Try to understand student. Again Bill went in first means there is mystery that वहाँ पर बिल कुछ ऐसा चालाकी कर रहा है स्टोरी. Try to catch it. And I lingered at the door. Lingered at the means waiting around at the door. Door के पास writer इंतजार किए. He asked not only the Sudan people but two customers. और दोनों क्वेश्चन पूछे if they had seen Lodkins. The Swedish had not. He said angrily, वो गुस्से होकर बोला, I have not seen him and don't care to. मैं इसको देखा नहीं अभी. But if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes me. कौन बोला? बस इसको अगर तुम घर जाते हो तो मुझे बोल देना कितना $35 मेरे लगा है, मैं उससे वसूल करना है मुझे. ठीक है? He owes me मतलब मेरा भी लगा है. One of the customers thought he had seen Lodkins walking down Main Street. उनमें से जो कस्टमर थे इस बार के पास दो कस्टमर से बोले कि मेन स्ट्रीट की तरफ लॉटकिंस गया है. देखिए किसी को ठगना है, उल्लू बनाना है तो कितना तरीका है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. उल्लू बनाने के लिए, झूठ बोलने के लिए कुछ भी हद तक जा सकते हैं. मेन स्ट्रीट दिस राइट टू द होटल. वो होटल तरफ गया है. He has gone to the side of hotel. Okay. As you climb back into the hack, yes, hack के तरफ हम जैसे चढ़े, hack means घोड़े में गाड़ी में बैठे. Bill concluded that Bill जो horse rider driver concluded means told finally, yes, drew the judgment that since Lodkins had exhausted his credit at Gustav's, मतलब उसको उधारी लगा है, he had probably gone to Gray's for a save. Gray के घर में जरूर सेविंग के लिए गया होगा क्योंकि वहाँ पर उधारी लगा है तो उसके पास मिल जाएगा. एट ग्रेज बार्बर शॉप, ग्रे के बार्बर की दुकान में वी मिस्ड लॉटकिंस. हम उसको ग्रे की दुकान में भी लॉटकिंस को नहीं पाए. बाय 5 मिनट्स हो वहाँ पर 5 मिनट पहले 1 more person ग्रे याद रखना. ग्रे के आया 5 मिनट पहले लॉटकिंस चले गया. देखिए उल्लू बनाने के लिए कितना तरीका है. लेट्स सी. Then see, at Gray's barber shop we missed Lodkins by only 5 minutes. He had just left, probably for a pool room. Where he had gone? Pool room is the place of play. Pool room. खेलने की जगह में चले गया है. Lodkins खोल के उनको वहाँ से मिला Gray house से. At the pool room, it appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarettes. वहाँ पर आफ्टर द प्लेस रूम से एक सिगरेट लेके और लॉटकिंस चल दिया है. लेट्स सी. एंड गॉन आउट. सो वी परस्यूड हिम. वी मीन्स राइटर एंड ड्राइवर उसको लॉटकिंस को फॉलो किए. यहाँ पर आगे आगे भी जाके कुछ ऐसा चालाकी से बात कर रहा है कि कहानी पकड़ में नहीं आ रहा. लेट्स सी. जस्ट बिहाइंड हिम बट नेवर कैचिंग हिम. लेकिन अभी भी लॉटकिंस को पाए नहीं. फॉर एन आवर till it was past 1 o'clock. 1 बज गया अभी दिन के. आई वॉज हंग्री. राइटर को भूख लगा. एंड आई हैड सो एंजॉयड दिस रफ कंट्री ओपिनियंस. कंट्री के लोगों का जो ओपिनियन मीन्स रफ ओपिनियंस. मतलब ऐसा ओपिनियन कि नहीं है 5 मिनट पहले इधर चले गया उधर का खा गया है. दीज आर ओपिनियंस अबाउट हिज नाइबर्स. और उसके नाइबर के बारे में. दैट आई स्केर्सली हार्डली केयर whether I found Lodkins or not. राइटर सोच ले कि शायद मैं Lodkins को पाना इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. हाउ अबाउट समथिंग टू ईट. और कुछ भी खाने के लिए भी भूख लग रहा है राइटर को. आई सजेस्टेड लेट्स गो टू रेस्टोरेंट एंड आई बाय लॉन्च, चलिए कि मैं तुम्हें लॉन्च भी दूंगा, चलो हम लेट्स गो टू हैव ए लॉन्च. ओके, वेल आई वांट टू गो टू होम, गो टू द वाइफ, राइट. यहाँ पर who told, Bill told, well I want to go to the wife and I don't care much of the restaurants, right. Bill told कि मैं रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं खाता हूँ, चलो मेरे वाइफ के पास जाता हूँ, खाना बना देगी. Only 4 of them and they are all bad and tell you, means 4 of them means these restaurants are not good, 4 restaurants not good. Tell you that what you will do, will get the wife to pick up a launch for us, हमारे लॉन्च बना देंगे. She won't charge you more than $50, मतलब सस्ते में बना देगी, $50 में भी बना देगी. And it would cost you more for a greasy meals in a restaurant. Greasy means oily food in the restaurant से बहुत अच्छा है. And you will go up to West Hill and enjoy the view while we eat. After eating, we will go to enjoy West Hill. We will go West Hill. पहाड़ी एरिया में घूमने में भी चले जाएंगे, अच्छा लगेगा. So after our eating, yes student, do you understand? I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entering a matter of brother-in-law. Now here, writer visited with this fellow Bill, and after the launch, writer liked to visit this hill, the West Hill, and he spent the time in very good time. Okay, let's see. So I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow. Bill's कितना अच्छा था बोल रहे हैं. The head driver had to catch a liver. He thought that he's a good person, a young good fellow. Okay, young fellow from the city. I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brother-in-law. I was paying him for his time. और समय के लिए मुझे पैसा देना पड़ रहा है. In the end, I paid him for 6 hours, including the launch hour, to 1 hour, 2 minutes, 6 hours, 12 plus half, 12 plus half, the side. He had to pay at what was then a very high price, but he was no more dishonest than I. Yeah, means he was a good person, and I charged the whole thing to the farm, but it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. His cheerful country wisdom was very refreshing to the country boy like myself, who was sick of the city. Now, writer is very sick of the city, and he was in this village area and he felt very happy to be in this place. Okay. As we sat on a hilltop, जैसे कि दोनों जाके पहाड़ के ऊपर जाके sat on a hilltop. Okay. Writer and this same driver, Bill. Let's see. As we sat on a hilltop looking over a pasture means grassland, creek means stream, which slipped among the trees. Grassland and stream, and a very good sight to see. Now enjoy the beauty of nature. Let's see. He talked of new million. The village name is New Million, and I discussed about this village many times. Okay, and painted a picture in words. Picture को अपने शब्द में पूरा पेंटिंग किया, means describe किया. Of all the people in it, he noticed everything, but no matter how much he might laugh at people, he also understood and forgave their foolishness. Yes, forgive their foolishness. He described the minister's wife. Whose wife? Minister's wife को बारे में समझाया. Who? Bill, who sang the loudest in the church. Church में कितना आवाज के लिए गाना गाती है. Yes, he described when she was most in depth. He commented on the boys who came back from college in fancy clothes. तो कॉलेज से कैसे अच्छे ड्रेस में आते थे इस गांव में, वो भी समझा रहे हैं, अपने गांव का हालचाल बता रहा है. He told about the lawyer whose wife could never succeed in getting him to put on both a collar and a tie on the same day. That day, lawyers one case he dress pehni thi, all the things he inherited, made them all live On that day, I came to know New Millen better than I did the city, and loved it better now. As she discovered the meaning of the bill, the writer able to know about all the details of the village, as before he did not know. Okay. Bill did not know about colleges and cities. Bill कभी स्कूल नहीं गया है, कॉलेज नहीं गया है. But he had traveled around a lot of country, बहुत सारा गाँव घुमा है. He had a lot of jobs, बहुत सारा काम भी किया हूँ. Bill, yeah, head driver. It's okay. From his adventures, he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. From adventure, a philosophy of laughter, adventure and laughter. Okay? Simplicity and laughter. This is one of the philosophies. सरल जीवन जीना है और मुस्कुराते रहना. This type of life. Who follow Bill, and this inspired by the writer. Okay, he strengthened me. He means Bill strengthened me. तो उसका activities और lifestyle writer को छू लिया. We left that peaceful scene of meadow and woods. Meadow means small woodsy area, jungle, and region means once again start our search of Oliver Lotkin. इसको ढूंढना शुरू कर दिया. We could not find him. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lotkin's. A cornered means a forced into a place. Friend of Lotkin's के एक दोस्त मिले and made him admit what he guessed. और उससे जो मिला, Oliver's gone out of his mother's farm 3 miles north. Oliver कहाँ जाएगा? Mother's farm. Oliver कहाँ गया है? Mother's farm 3 miles off his place. Yes, 3 miles old. So now I know Oliver's mother. Who told? Bill told. मैं Oliver's mother जानता हूँ. She's a terror. Terror means fearful person. The भयानक है. Bill sighed. Sighed means took a long breath and told, I took a trunk out there for her once. Yes, and she almost took my skin off. Yeah, और आगे चल के तो मेरा तो बेहाल कर देता ही. She behaved like that. Can I was unable to face that lady because I did not treat it like a box of eggs. Yes, who told? Egg told that. मैं बॉक्स ऑफ एग जैसे ट्रीट नहीं किया तो मुझे ट्रंक जैसे बना दिए एंड मेरा चमड़ी उखाड़ दिए. सी इज ऑल अबाउट 9 feet टॉल, मतलब 9 feet इतना ऊंचा है एंड 4 feet थिक, 4 feet का मोटा है एंड क्विक एज ए कैट और बिल्ली जैसे दौड़ती है एंड सी श्योर कैन टॉक. हाउ सी इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट लॉर्ड ओलिवर्स मदर. ओके, I'll bet Oliver heard that somebody chasing him. मैं बेट के बारे में ओलिवर बार सुना हूँ. कोई इसको दौड़ा रहा था and he has gone to there to hide behind his mother's skirts. जाके मदर्स के ड्रेस में जाके मतलब छिप गया है in space of mother's area. Okay, well we'll try her. चलो हम उसके मम्मी के पास चले जाते हैं. But you would better let me do it, boy. Yes, मुझे करने देना. दोनों ही जान के साथ इसका मतलब you may be great at literature and law. Yeah, but I literature law is law course and stuff. So in the subject of literature you're smart, but you haven't had real training in swearing. Yes, swearing training नहीं हो. That means if you go, then you will be get punishment. You drove into a poor farmyard. उसके मम्मी घर चले गए. We were faced by an enormous, with huge in size and cheerful old lady. बहुत सुंदर सी मुस्कुराती ओल्ड लेडी के पास पहुंचे. माई गाइड मिस बिल द हेड ड्राइवर. माई गाइड bravely went up to her and said, remember me? I am Bill Magnuson, the carter and hackman. I want to find your son Oliver. वो जाके अपनी ओलिवर की मम्मी के पास जाके इसी से बात कर रहे हो. Then what about? I don't know anything about Oliver and I don't want to. She shouted. वो अंदर से चिल्लाई, ना तो बिल जानती हूँ ना उसके बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ. Whatever person. Why did she tell like that? Let's discuss. Now look here. We have just out about enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city. Yeah, this young man represents the court in the city. Yes? Speak for someone, okay? and we have a legal right to search all property for this Oliver Watkins. Who told? Writer told. That's true. Bill made me sound very important, and the woman was impressed. She retired me, went inside into the kitchen, and we followed him. Kitchen तरफ चले गए, तो हम उसके पीछे पीछे गए. She seized it, means snatched it, an iron from an old-fashioned stove. Stove से एक आयरन रॉड लेती है, and also marched on or shouting, और छड़ी लेके दौड़ाना शुरू कर दी. You search all you want to, तुम जो ढूंढ रहे हो, if you don't mind getting burnt fast, कि तो उससे पहले तुम दोनों को मैं जला के राख कर दूंगी. She shouted and laughed at our frightened retreats, और चिल्लाई भी और हंसते हुए वो हमारी इस हरकत को देखते. What frightened retreat means घबराहट की भगना. By forcing to go back, this lady shouted and also laughed in this way. She behaved like this. She behaved like that. Let's get out of here. She will murder us. Who told? Bill. चलो यहाँ से भगना ही अच्छा है, तो हमको मार देगी. Outside, he said, "Did you see her smile?" वो बोला कि देखिए कि बाद में कैसे मुस्कुरा रही थी. She was laughing at us. और फिर हमारे ऊपर हंस भी रही है. उसका मतलब मेंटल है, may attack us, whatever it may be. I agreed that it was pretty disrespectful treatment. मतलब ये बदतमीजी है, not good treatment, अच्छा नहीं किया. We did, हम बाहर से चले आए. However, search the house, घर को नहीं ढंग हम भगाए. Since it was only one story high, but Bill went around it, peering in at all the windows. जाके वो बिल ढूंढ रहा है चारों विंडो के चारों तरफ. We examined the bar and stable. जाके दूसरी जगह ढूंढे. bar means outhouse and stable is the horse house, and we find everywhere. We peering it in all the windows. Yes, we were reasonably certain that Watkins was not there. We found everywhere of this house, but Watkins was not present. Nancy. And it was nearly time for me to catch the afternoon train, and Bill drove me to the station. Now शाम हो चुका था, and Bill को मैं लेके स्टेशन पर फिर से चली गई, क्योंकि I was afraid to find him. So whole day it was very meaningless. I did not find. So it was trying to went back to own place. Now, on the way to the city, I worried very little over my failure to find Watkins. Right, was only there. Could not find Oliver Watkins. That was very much worry. I was too busy thinking about Bill Magnuson जितना हेल्प किया उसके बारे में सोच रहा था. Really, I considered returning to New Million to practice law. New Million को मैं जरूर आऊँगा लॉ सीखने के लिए. If I had found Bill so deep and richly human, Bill कितना अच्छा, मुझे इतना अच्छा ये दिखाया. Might I not grow to law priest and Godsaw and 100 other slow-spoken, simple, wise neighbors. कितना अच्छे से पड़ोसी लोग उनके हैं, कितना अच्छा लग रहा था उनसे बातचीत करने के लिए. I pictured an honest and happy life beyond the strict limits of university. Oh, she thought that university will give great quality and no simplicity, and I will go to village life and they will enjoy their simple life. And law firms, I don't like this place of university and etc. I was excited means I decided I will go back to New Million to learn this law course. I had found a treasure. Treasure means New Million is the place I will come and practice my law. I discovered a new way of life. Who told writer कि मैं नया जीवन जिंदगी शुरू करूँगा. But if I did not think much about Watkins, the office did. मैं Watkins उधर मैं जाना सोच रहा हूँ, लेकिन ऑफिस तो ढूंढ रहा है ना Watkins को. I found them all upset. वो माइंड क्यों अपसेट किया? Watkins जब तक नहीं मिला है तो मतलब मुसीबत ही मुसीबत है. Next morning the case was coming up in the court. फिर से कोर्ट से क्या हुआ, केस आया, एंड दे हैड टू हैव Watkins. कोर्ट से ऑर्डर आया कि Watkins को किन्हीं हाउ में चाहिए. आई वाज सैम्पल, मुझे बहुत शर्मिंदा लग रहा था. इलसफुल मीनिंगलेसफुल या. दैट मॉर्निंग माई प्रोमिजिंग लीगल करियर ऑलमोस्ट केम टू एंड बिफोर इट हैड बिगन. जो लॉ का जो करियर का आखिरी था, as it appeared that as I have started it, I was so much, very much disturbed by this. That means next day also they are going to search Oliver Watkins. The chief almost murdered me. Chief is head of this department. ऐसे ही कि मुझे मार देंगे. Almost means possibility or seriously. Okay. He hinted that I might do well at digging ditches. He means that person pointed out to me that I might do well at digging ditches, means to open a drain. I was ordered back to New Mullion. Once again I had to go to New Mullion to find Oliver Watkins. And with me went a man who had walked with Watkins. और ऐसे व्यक्ति को लेके जाना है जो Watkins को पहले से जानता है. He will also go and he will find. I rather sorry, इसलिए दुखी था because it would prevent my laughing all over again with Bill. means if you go there, Bill का कोई काम नहीं है क्योंकि मैं नया था तो उसको सहायता ले रहा था, उसको जानता है. means without Bill also will find. So I was very much worried that no more work of lofting, means spend time idle way with this person Bill, the head driver, he thought. When the train arrived at New Mullion, now already New Mullion stoppage में ट्रेन रुक गया. Bill was on the station platform. Bill जो हेड ड्राइवर था स्टेशन प्लेटफॉर्म में है, नियर हिज कार, उसको घोड़े गाड़ी के पास साथ. Strangely enough, that old tigress, वो वृद्ध महिला जो शेरनी जैसी थी, Watkins' mother, Watkins की मम्मी थी, was talking and laughing with Bill. यह एक समय तो दौड़ा रहा था, चिल्ला रहा था वो, मतलब उसके बिल के साथ हंस रहा है, बात कर रहा है. Not quarreling at all. Lady, Bill told that Watkins' mother is very curious and very serious lady. बगड़क के चिल्लाती लेकिन बहुत अच्छे से बात कर रही है. From the train station, I pointed Bill out of my companion. मेरे साथी के साथ जो फिर से मैं ढूंढने के लिए गया था उनको, बिल को उन्हें देखा, बोला that is a fellow, fine fellow, a real man. I spent the day with him. पूरे दिन इसके साथ मैं घुमा हूँ और इधर को ढूंढने के लिए. He helped you hunt or lord over Oliver Watkins. He helped you. उसके साथ जो राइटर के साथ जो आए थे, he helped you, वो मदद किए तुमको ओलिवर वाटकिंस को ढूंढने के लिए. Yes, he helped me now. उस ड्राइवर ने मुझे ढूंढने की मदद की. He must have, he is Watkins himself. वो जो बिल के नाम से ड्राइवर के नाम से ढूंढ रहा था, वही खुद ही ओलिवर वाटकिंस है. What really hurt me was that when I reserved the summons, Watkins and his mother laughed at me as though I were a bright boy of 7. मैं 7 साल का बच्चा हूँ, इसीलिए सोच के वो लोग हंस रहे हैं. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them to the neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. उन लोग बोले कि अपने पड़ोस के घर में चाय पीने के लिए जाने के लिए वो लोग बोल रहे हैं. I told them about you and they're anxious to look at you, said Watkins. कि मैं उनको भी बोल दिया हूँ कि वो लोग भी देखना चाहते हैं तुमको और तुमको देखने के लिए they are very much worried. My neighbors, they are about the only people in the town that missed seeing you yesterday. All except my neighbors, that morning they saw you, they like to see you. Imagine what would happen to the writer when he knew that head driver was innocent good, but finally knew that he was the one of that person, that Oliver Watkins. Imagine what might he be thinking. At the end of the chapter, we can conclude that. So lesson at the end, we found that who is Oliver Watkins and how he used the tricks to tell lie. And finally, in this way story ends, and I hope that story you might have understood. Okay, have a good day and goodbye.